We're here in Honesdale, and this is the driveway that you will be coming up, and you can come around and park the car like that. You can see it's the winter time now, and I'm going to go through some instructions on what to do when you get here. And the first thing is to go through the side door. So here's the garage door, and you'll come around here. This door is the side door of the garage, and it's basically always left open. So you want to come in here, open the door, and you'll see a light switch right here. This first one right here, put it on, and then you'll see the lights will turn on. Once you do that, there are two doors that will go into the house, but actually the easiest way to go in is to come on over here to the basement steps, go down the basement steps. This door to the basement will always be open, and you can open this door. As soon as you open this door, there's a light switch right to the right of the door. There's the steps, there's the light switch. So come on in. And now, the first thing you want to do here is you have to turn the water on. And I actually have a sign here. There's the actual valve. You can see it's closed, so you have to press it or swing it to the open position. And the other thing you want to do is right here, a water heater switch. It's the top right one. I'm trying to get it focused. There we go. So that will say water heater right there. And that one you have to set to on. Now it's very important that when you set that to on, you immediately have to take this switch here and turn it to the left, so that it is actually in line with the actual pipe. So make sure that that's like that, and that's how you put the water on. Once the water is on and the water heater is on, we can then go on up these stairs and head into the house. So the first thing you want to do when you get into the house is turn on the heat if it's the winter time. And there are actually 6 different individual heater thermostats, this being the first one. So you want to put that, let's say, between 60, 65, or whatever you want. I'll go through all of them. That was the first. This is the second. Put it up to 65. Going on into the kitchen will be the third. It's up on this wall here, next to the phone. Once again, 65 there. The fourth one is in this room. You can put it up there. Now right around the wall here is the fifth one. And lastly, the sixth one is in the big den room. So once again, there are 6 of them. And I'll now return back to the original one. It's very important that when you leave the house, that all 6 of these are put down to the 50-degree mark. Okay, so it's the winter time now. This is the house here. I don't think you'll be opening the windows or the doors, but if you did, these windows here unlock over here. This will lift up all the way like that. I'll lock it again, and then after you lift that up, you can crank that open. And then the door here, if it's in the summer, it would be more appropriate. This will open up right over here, so you're going to turn it to the left. Then you can push this down, and the door will open, and you'll do the same here. Like that, and you pull. Now, It's very important on this door, when you close this particular door, on the right door here, you have to kind of lift it up and then press it up. So you lift the door up, push it in, and then click it like that. To open it, it's down. To close it, it's up, and you can make sure it's in. If you don't lift the door up, it won't really get past that point. It's kind of weird. And then you can take the second door, and on the handle, you click it up like that and lock it, and then just check it to make sure. We're back here by the mud room. That was the bathroom, and I'm going to open one of the doors to go back into the garage. I want to show you how to open up those garage doors, and the switch is right next to this door, and it's basically this switch right here. So you press it and the door will open. Now naturally, to close it, you press it again. If for some reason you'll see that this switch here is not like lit up red or whatever, you could move this wire, just kind of wiggle it a little bit and wait for that red light to come on. Then you press it and it will close. If you need to get in to the garage doors, that's how you do it. Remember though that this door will always be open, and when you leave, you should never close this door or lock it. You can close it, but don't lock it. And then also when you leave, please remember that the basement door should be closed, but not locked as well. Okay, we're going to be going over here by the front door now. And this, you can click to the right, it'll unlock. And you can open this door here. The screen door is always open. And you can see the garage over there now. The most important thing here is that underneath this puppy dog, there's always a key. That's the key to the front door, not the screen door, which is always left open, but that's the key to this door. So if for some reason the side door was locked and or the basement door was locked, then you can always go to the puppy by that windowsill and come in that way. Now we're going to go up the stairs and show you the heat and the 4 rooms upstairs. Okay, we're at the top of the stairs. There are 3 bedrooms up here. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3, along with a bathroom. So there are 4 thermostats up here. And you'll do the same thing you did downstairs. 1, and we'll go over to the adjoining bedroom over here. 2, put it up. The next bedroom over here. 3. And then lastly, we're going to go over to the bathroom. And the bathroom thermostat is behind the door here. And that would be 4. So remember, when you leave the house, if it's in the winter time, then there are 4 thermostatic zones that have to be set down to 50 up here, and there are 6 downstairs, and you can review the video to see where they are.